With proud and eager loyalty, we fling our banner to the world and catch the rays of wisdom streaming down as its glory is unfurled. We poise our spear, we aim it true, with strength that's born of right. Let faces and oppression feel the fear.